right, our video today is on product of prime factors. Okay, sometimes we call them factor trees. Okay, so let's know these words, product, prime, and factors, what they mean first before we can start doing this. Okay, so when you multiply two numbers, you get a product. So if you say 4 times 3, 12. So 12 is a product. So 12 is a product of 4 and 3. Okay, prime number. A prime number is a number that can only be divisible by 1 and itself. Prime numbers are 3. If we will list factors of 3, we can only get 1 can go into 3 and 3 can go into 3. So it has got only 1 and itself as a factor. Let's try another one. 7. 7 has got only 1 and 7. So these numbers, we call them prime numbers. Okay, you can try to think of more or more prime numbers. As long as they have got only 1 and themselves as factors, then it's a prime number. Then let's talk about factors. If I have got 12, factors are numbers which can go into 12. Like 1 can go into 12, 2 can go into 12, 3 can go into 12, 4, 6, and 12. All these numbers, they can go into 12. So they are factors of 12. So they are factors of 12. So when you are making a factor tree, it means the numbers, when you times them, which is the product, when you times them, you get that number. And all the numbers, they have to be prime numbers and they have to be factors of that number. For instance, if I have got 40 and I need to find, let me write it somewhere there. Okay, if I have got 40 and I need to make a factor tree for 40, what that means is I need to make some branches. Okay, these are my branches, so I'm making a tree. So these are my branches. So you think of two numbers, when you times, you get 40, which is 4 and 10. Okay, if I multiply 4 and 10, I got 40. Then I would look at these numbers. Is 4 a prime number? We said a prime number has got 1 and itself is factors. 4, we have got 1, we've got 2, we've got 4, which can go into 4. So 4 is not a prime number. So which means I need to make 2 branches again, because I haven't got a prime number. Then 2 times 2 will give me a 4. Is 2 a prime number? Yes, only 1 and 2 can go into 2. So 2 is a prime number. So these are prime numbers. Then you can circle them so that when you write your answer, you won't miss them. Then 10 is not a prime number because 5, 2, and 10 can go into 10. Now I need to make my 2 branches. Which 2 numbers, when I multiply, I get 10, which is 5 and 2. Is 2 a prime number? Yes. Is 5 a prime number? Yes. So now I've made 40 the product of its prime factors, which means all these numbers, they are prime numbers. All these numbers are factors of 40, and all these numbers, their product is 40. What that means, if you multiply 2 times 2, which is 8, 2 times 2, which is 4, 4 times 5, which is 20, and 20 times 2, which is 40. So you can see their product, all these 4 numbers, their product is 40. They're all prime numbers and they're all factors of 40. Then I can simplify this. So this one, it means 2 times 2 times 2, 3 times 5, which is the same as 2 to the power 3 times 5. You always start with a smaller number when you write these ones. Okay, now let's try another one. Let's try 72. I need to make 72 the product of its prime factors. So my 2 branches first, 2 numbers, when you times, you get 72, which is 8 and 9. Is 8 a prime number? No, so I have to go down again. Which 2 numbers, when I times, I get 8, 4 and 2. Okay, so 2, we got 2. We know 2 is a prime number, but 4 is not. So we have to go down again. 2 numbers, when you times, you get 4, which is 2 and 2. So 2 is a prime number and 2 is a prime number. Now let's go with 9. Okay, 9, I need to make my 2 branches. 9, 2 numbers, when you times, you get 9, which is 3 and 3. And they are all prime numbers. So which means it's 1, 2, 3. So it's 2 to the power 3 times 3 to the power 2. So these will be your answers, because I've got 2 of them and I've got 3 of these. If you times these numbers, you get 72. And these numbers, they are all prime numbers and they're all factors of 72. So you have made 40 and 72 as product of their prime factors. Okay, work is at the end of the video. Do the work and send it in for marking and feedback.